So you see the sagging of the pants with underwear show. There's multiple history to it, but we'll take it all the way back to slavery days now. Listen here.
Forgive me for being blunt, but for those of you who like to walk around and wear your pants below your ass, don't think it's a struggle or it ever came from prison. It came from during slavery. Slave masters used to sexually abuse and sodomize black men, a brutal method called butt breaking that was used to destroy their spirits, and after that they were forced to walk with their pants down in shame. It was sexual humiliation, and if you think sagging is cool, spell it backwards. Yeah, you get niggers. This isn't style. This isn't culture. This is psychological warfare. This is slavery repackaged. This has nothing to do with prison or anything to do with Jamaican or any real culture. The only culture it's a part of is a slave culture. A culture of humiliation. A culture of black men shaming each other. And if you're an entertainer walking around like this influencing our youth, you're not leading anybody. You're misleading everybody.